Pakistan said Indian national Kulbhushan Jadhav has refused to file a review petition and wants to go ahead with his pending mercy plea. Additional Attorney General Ahmed Irfan, while addressing a media conference, also said that Pakistan has offered a second consular access to him. Remember, the first consular access granted tardily in September last year was heavily monitored by Pakistan authorities and resulted to be a sham arrangement. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee announced that containment zones would follow a strict 7-day lockdown from tomorrow 5 p.m. The order was issued on a day the state reported 850 infections and a record 25 deaths that took the toll past 800 to 804. She also warned that police need to be strict. If people don't wear masks, they will be sent home. Delhi University informed the Delhi High Court today that it has decided to postpone the open book examinations scheduled from July 10th for final year undergraduate courses to next month. The High Court was hearing a petition by several final year DU students seeking quashing and withdrawal of notifications on online exams for undergraduate and postgraduate students. Harvard University and MIT have asked the federal courts to block the Trump administration's order to strip international college students of their US visas if their courses have moved online during the pandemic. In a lawsuit filed on Wednesday, the universities requested a restraining order to put the July 6th government order on hold, calling the order unlawful. Policemen Vinay Tiwari and KK Sharma were arrested Wednesday for allegedly tipping off gangster Vikas Dubey about the police raid in Kanpur, in which 8 policemen were killed last week. Both the suspended sub-inspectors were detained for questioning and later arrested. Meanwhile, the Uttar Pradesh government increased the reward for Dubey's arrest from Rs 2.5 lakhs to Rs 5 lakhs. Hours after the government announced an investigation into alleged financial irregularities involving 3 Gandhi family-linked trusts, Rahul Gandhi hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi and said those who fight for the truth have no price and cannot be intimidated. The Congress said its leadership would not be intimidated by cowardly acts and a blind witch hunt by the panicked government. The Amarnath Yatra will be conducted in a staggered manner this year with no more than 500 pilgrims allowed per day as a result of the coronavirus lockdown restrictions. In a high-level meeting, it was decided that the Yatra to the Amarnath Shrine would be allowed for a fortnight starting July 21st. Department of State, quoting the US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo, told the media that Hong Kong was such a special place where there were all the freedoms that people of Hong Kong were promised by Chinese Communist Party. We'd love to preserve the freedom in Hong Kong, but if we can't, we're going to hold the Chinese Communist Party accountable.